Okay, for the first official video that I'm going to attempt for the channel, I'm going to actually attempt to do a Kemper profile of the overdrive channel of the PRS Archon 50. A couple of the things that we're actually going to be using that I'll be probably covering at a later time. One is going to be the 2 notes torpedo captor, which is a reactive load box and DI all in one. Great little unit. I've already profiled the clean channel and another overdrive on that one. Does an awesome job. Absolutely really impressed with this thing. Okay, we'll be doing the profile on one of the new Kemper Stage units. It's a little bit different doing the profiling on a stage as opposed to the lunchbox or the rack units, because there is no dedicated profile switch. On the stage, you actually press perform and browse at the same time, and that puts you into the profile mode. Now, as far as the connections, the guitar goes into the standard guitar input. The send goes into the amp's input. Then the amp output will go into the DI box. And then the DI box will feed both the cabinet and the Kemper's return. Like I was saying before, we have the guitar input. The return is coming from the DI box. The send is going to the amp input. DI box is right there. And coming out of the DI box, going into the cabinet, and then coming out of the amp and into the DI box. Now, this particular DI box also has a minus 20 dB output, which is what I'm using so that I can get a higher volume on here. It's also important to remember that whatever settings you have on the amp is the tone that you're going to get in your profile. I've already done the profiles for the clean section, so I'm not going to bother with that this time. But we are going to do a good gain channel. Okay. I'm not sure you'll be able to see the screen on this one, but I'm going to hit these 2 buttons, start the profiling process. Hit the next button. We got a distorted amp with no cabinet because we're doing a direct profile, and start profiling. Alright, now that we've got through all the obnoxious noises and whatnot, now it's time to do the simple amp refine. Hit the refine button and just place it. And once you've done with the refine process, you finish, and then you can check back and forth between the Kemper and the reference. Reference amp, Kemper amp. And there you go. That is a direct profile. The only thing left to do is to name it and tag it.